As you gather ingredients for your favorite treat, make sure bugs aren't tagging along. Some pests live in and feed on pantry items. Check out a few tips to keep your baking pest-free. 1. Examine your groceries. Many pantry pests sneak into houses on items brought home from the store. Check for signs of pests like holes in packages before purchasing an item. 2. Use proper storage. Transfer packaged ingredients like flour into containers with airtight seals. 3. Keep things clean. Clean up crumbs and spills in your pantry and kitchen. 4. Check expiration dates. Spoiled products can attract pests. Check items at the store and in your pantry. 5. Add bay leaves. Some plants, like bay leaves, have a scent that bugs dislike. Adding a few leaves to your containers or cabinets can help repel pests. 6. Use a plant-based insecticide spray. Our home bug spray kills pests on contact and provides you with the residual repellency. You can spray common entry points and near cabinets to help keep pests away. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.